let's play the First Noel. Now let's check out the playing pattern for this song. The playing pattern for this song is gonna be a both right, right. Now let's start with the verse 1. Slowly G chord the first, no, D chord. Well, the one bow C, angels did one bow G. Say was to one bow of C, certain poor one bow G on B. Shepherds in one bow C, fields as they and one bow G. Lay in one bow G again, fields where one bow of D. They lay one bow C, keeping their one bow G again. Sheep honor one bow C, cold winters one bow G on B. Night that one bow C, was so one bow G. Deep. Now let's play verse 1 smoothly. Ready, go. G to D and C and G down to C. C, G on B to C and G. And G again to D. C and G. Now to C, G on B to C and to G. Hey there, loving this tutorial? Then you've got to check out my Christmas song ebook. It's packed with 32 holiday tunes, complete with chords, chord charts, song lyrics, and playing patterns to make your life easy. Download instantly so you can bring it to your parties, jam with your friends, or just add some Christmas vibes to your home. Grab your copy now in the description link below. Now let's play chorus. Slowly and we go. G chord Noel, no, one bow D. Well, no, one bow C. Well, no, one bow G. Well, one bow C and we go. Born is the one bow G on B, king of one bow C. Israel one bow G. L. Now we're gonna play chorus smoothly. Ready, go. One bow G to D, then to C, back to G and C. G on B, C and G. Now let's play verse 2. Slowly G chord go. They look up, one bow D up, and one bow C. Saw a one bow G. Star shining one bow C. In the one bow G on B. East B one bow of C. Yawn them one bow G. Far and one bow G again to D one bow D. Earth E one bow C. Gave great back to G again. Light and one bow C. So it one bow G on B. Continue both one bow C. Day and one bow G. Night. Now let's play verse 2 smoothly. Ready, G chord go. G and to D and C and G. Going down to C. G on B, C to G. Repeat. G again and to D and C to G and C. G on B and C and G. Now we're gonna play verse 3 Slowly G chord go, and by the one bar D. Light of one bar C, that same one bar G. Star 3 one bar C. Wise man one bar G on B, came from one bar C. Country one bar G. Far 2 one bar G again. Seek for a one bar D. King was one bar C. There in one bar G. Tent and 2 one bar C. Follow the one bar G on B. Star where one bar C. Ever eat one bar G. Went. Now we're gonna play verse 3 smoothly, one bar G.
And by the light
and
of
C.
that same star,
Go down to C.
wise
G on
men
B.
came from
C. Back to G.
country far
G again.
to seek
D.
for a king.
C.
Was their
G.
intent,
C.
and to follow
G on
the
B.
star wherever
Back home to
it
G.
went.
Now let's play verse 4. Slowly G chord the star. Drew one bar D. 9 2 one bar C. The North and G. West O one bar C. Battler one bar G on B. Ham it one bar C. Took it one bar G. Rest and one bar G. There it one bar D. D bow one bar C. Stop and one bar G. Stay right one bar C. Over the one bar G on B. Place where one bar C. Jesus one bar G. Lay. Now we're gonna play verse 4 smoothly, and we G chord.
Star
D.
tonight to
C.
the north,
Back to G.
west.
Down to C.
Oh, Bethlehem,
G on B.
it
C.
took
And G.
its rest,
Again and G.
there
to D.
indeed both
C.
stop
G.
and stay right
C.
over
G on
the
B.
place where
C chord. Back home to
Jesus
G.
lay.
Now we're gonna play the full song, all the 4 verse and chorus, and G to D, and C to G, down to C, G on B, and C to G. Continue back, still on G, down to D, and C to G, and C, G on B, and C, and G. Chorus, and G, and D, C, and G, C, G on B, C, back home to G, verse 2, still on G, and D, C, still on G, down to C, G on B, and C to G, and G, go to D, and C to G, and C, G on B, and C to G. Chorus, no G, and D, C, back to G, C, G on B, and C, and chorus. No G and D. C to G. C. G on D to C to G. Next verse. G and D. C. Back home to G. C. G on D. And C. Back home to G. Again, still on G and D. C. Back home to G. C. G on D. C and G. Last chorus. Let's go G and D. C to G. C. G on B. C. G and on G. Hey there, thanks for watching and I hope you find this video helpful. I've got more piano techniques, music theory and tutorials coming your way, so stay tuned. If you think this channel is helping you reignite your passion for piano playing, do like and subscribe and I will see you in the next video.